Okay, children. So last class we just completed our portion till temperate deciduous forest. Okay, so we have completed tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Now we are going to study in detail about temperate deciduous forest and temperate evergreen forest. Okay, children. Yes.
Temperate deciduous.
Yeah, that we have completed, right? Yes. See, children, the temperate deciduous forest. Can you see the board, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, temperate deciduous forest, as we go towards higher latitudes. Okay, that means Antarctic circle or Arctic circle to the poles, the area in between the Antarctic or Arctic circle, that means north and south. Okay, and to the polar circle, there are more temperate deciduous forest. Okay, so some temperate deciduous forest can be seen as we go towards the higher latitudes. Okay, then there are found in the northeastern part of USA. Which all parts we can see this temperate deciduous forest, children?
USA, China,
Yes.
New Zealand,
USA, China, Chile,
Western,
New
Western
Zealand.
Europe.
Yes. Okay. In
Western.
all these places, we could see the temperate deciduous forest. Okay. And the features, we have discussed about the features. Okay, because the cool climate. Okay, this region experiences a mild climate. Okay, average climate, medium climate, that is neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, so the cool climate of this region, it is favorable for the fastest growth of the vegetation, okay, of plants and the trees. And the trees are generally deciduous in nature. Deciduous means they used to shed their leaves in dry season. Okay, and most of the trees have thick trunks and broad leaves. They shed their leaves in dry season, okay, and remain leafless during winter. Okay, and remain leafless during the winter time. Okay, so that's deciduous forest. And which all main trees are found in temperate deciduous forest? Oak, ash, beech,
Oak, ash, cedar,
all these type of trees. Okay, oak, ash, beech. Okay, all these trees are found in, are common in temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and also we have discussed about the animals, that is deer, fox,
wolves, squirrels, deers.
yes. Okay, I have told you study any three names of these forests you need to study by heart. Okay, so you can study deer, fox, wolf.
Foxes and
Okay.
wolves.
All these animals we can found in the temperate
found here.
deciduous forest. Okay, hardwood trees are commonly found over here. Okay, which all hardwood trees can be found over here, children, that we have discussed, that is oak, ash, cedar.
Oak, ash,
Redwood.
redwood, maple, beech.
Yes.
Birch.
Okay,
Yeah,
all
birch.
these trees
And
used
dock
for
lake.
transport and constructional materials. Okay, furniture, transport. Sorry.
Ma'am, they are used to make furnitures.
Yes. See,
And,
children, they shed their leaves. What is the speciality of temperate deciduous forest? They shed their leaves. Okay, they shed their leaves in the dry season. And oak, ash, beech, etc., deer, fox, wolf are the animals commonly found. And which all
birds
birds?
like pheasants and
Yes,
monarchs are
pheasant
found
and
here.
monal. Okay, pheasant and monal also found in this temperate deciduous forest. Okay, so children, let me just revise the points, children. Akash,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me about temperate deciduous forest?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
As we go towards the
Higher latitude.
higher latitude, we can
Yes. Found.
found deciduous forest.
Very good. Okay.
They
Then,
they shed their leaves in dry season
yeah.
and
Okay, the trees, wait, listen, Akash. See, children, the means here experiences a cool climate. Okay, cool climate, and the trees are deciduous in nature. Okay, but that means they shed their leaves during the dry season. Okay, then,
they
Akash, continue.
shed their leaf in dry season and
Okay.
leafless.
Which all remain leafless during the winter time. Okay, then,
The main animals found
yeah.
there fox, wolf,
Fox, wolf, deer.
that
Okay, all such animals are found in temperate deciduous forest, and birds like
birds like
pheasant. Okay, pheasant and monal.
Monals.
Okay, then what about the trees?
oak,
Oak, yes, oak, ash, birch. Okay, all these trees are found in temperate deciduous forest. Okay, children, all these points are clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, children, as we go towards the higher latitudes, we could see the temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and you know, children, which all places we could see all this type of trees?
Style, New Zealand, China, USA, and the coastal
USA, okay,
regions of
USA,
Western Europe.
New Zealand, yes, Western Europe, Chile, all these
China.
places we could see this temperate deciduous forest. Okay, and these trees shed their leaves during the dry season. Okay, and the main trees found in this forest are oak, ash, beech,
map,
and yes, animals, fox, deer,
Wolves.
okay, all these animals are found in temperate deciduous forest. Clear, children? Is it clear? All these points are okay to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. See, children, I have told you while you were studying, study it thoroughly, because I have told you, unless you will be confused with temperate deciduous, tropical deciduous. Okay, so don't be confused with it. Okay, so shall we move to the next one? Temperate evergreen forest.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so children, just let me remind you something. See, children, we are studying about the natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, and the natural vegetation, it is classified into three broad categories, that are forest, grasslands, and
Grasslands and shrubs.
okay, so now we are studying about forest.
Forest.
Okay, which all
Different
types
kinds of
of
forest.
forest are found in different parts of the world. Okay, and what all its features? Okay, all this we are
Okay, ma'am.
studying, and we have studied about tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous,
Tropical
and
deciduous
temperate
and temperate
deciduous.
deciduous.
Okay, now we are going to study in detail about temperate
Tropical
evergreen forest.
temperate
Okay, temperate evergreen forest.
forest.
Yeah. Okay, children. So, yes, temperate evergreen forest. Okay, children. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. What do you mean by mid-latitudinal coastal region? Coastal regions, you know the meaning.
The
Right.
places near to the sea.
Yes. Okay, then what do you mean by mid-latitudinal?
It's the
Middle of the latitudes.
That means temperate area. Okay, temperate zone. Okay, temperate area. Okay, so
Yes,
the
ma'am.
temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. Coastal region,
Regions.
that means the area that is close to the sea. Okay, then They are commonly found along the eastern
Eastern
margin
margin
of the continent. See,
continent.
children,
Coordinates.
see, can you see? Eastern side of the continent. Which all continents you know, children?
Africa,
Asia.
Asia,
Asia,
America, yes. Yes. Okay, so,
Australia,
yes.
Australia, Europe.
Children, listen to me. On the eastern margin of, okay, or eastern margin of all the continents, okay, of most of the continents, we can see the temperate evergreen forest. Okay, children, there are commonly found along the eastern margin, eastern side. Okay, margin means side. Okay, eastern margin of the continents in South East USA. Okay, see children, the name of those countries, that is Southeast USA, South China, and in Southeast Brazil. Southeast, okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, your voice is low.
Oh, okay, okay. China and Southeast Brazil.
Southeast Brazil.
Sound is very low, ma'am.
Wait.
Sound is very low.
Wait. Now, am I okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, the temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. Okay, mid-latitudinal coastal region, we could see the temperate evergreen forest. Okay, and we can see this type of forest on the eastern side of the continents. Okay, the temperate evergreen forests are mostly found on the eastern side of the continents. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Eastern side of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
eastern margin means eastern side of the continents in Southeast USA. Okay, in Southeast USA, South China, and Southeast Brazil. Okay, Southeast USA, South China, and Southeast Brazil. Okay, in all these countries, we could see the temperate evergreen forest, and they comprises both hard and softwood trees. Both hardwood trees are found over here, and also softwood trees. Okay, like oak, pine, eucalyptus. Let me show you the pictures. Okay, and see children, the forest, okay, the trees of this forest has broad leaf, okay, like oak, eucalyptus. Can you see the leaf of oak?
Yes, ma'am.
Oak and eucalyptus. Okay, all these trees are found in temperate evergreen forest. Okay, then there are also coniferous trees also means found over here in this region, that is pine, cedar, fir, etc. Okay, see children, both hardwood and softwood trees are found on temperate evergreen forest.
Evergreen
Okay, that is
forest.
oak, eucalyptus, okay, and also pine, cedar, fir. Okay, all such. See children, pine, can you see pine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, cone-shaped trees. Yeah.
Owl and will come and sit. Owl.
Gautam?
Owl bird.
Mm.
That will come and sit.
That will come and sit in pine. Huh? Okay, children. So both hardwood and softwood trees are found in this temperate evergreen forest. Okay. Then, children, is these points are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Temperate evergreen forest. Okay, the temperate evergreen forest are located. Okay, where it is located, children? In the mid latitudinal coastal region. Okay, in the mid latitudinal coastal regions, we can see the temperate evergreen forest. Okay, and they are commonly found along the eastern margin. Okay, eastern side of the continent.
Southeast USA.
Yes. Okay,
In
that is
Southeast USA.
Southeast USA, South China,
Southeast-
Southeast
Southeast
Brazil.
Southeast Brazil.
South China.
Yes.
And
Southeast
combine
Brazil.
both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine,
Yeah,
eucalyptus.
we could see the trees, means the forest have broad leaf trees like oak and eucalyptus. Okay, at the same time, there are also coniferous trees like pine, cedar, fir, etc. Okay, so all these types of trees are found in temperate evergreen forest. Gautam, can you repeat the points which all we have just discussed about temperate evergreen?
Can you say the second picture? Is the mid-latitude coastal area.
Mm.
And they are also coniferous tree like pine, cedar. Leaves from there like oak.
Oak
And
and
next
eucalyptus.
Okay.
Then
This was only there.
which all places, which all countries we could see this?
Southeast
Ma'am, your sound is
USA,
really low.
South China,
Mm.
Southeast Brazil.
Okay. So children,
Ma'am.
here. Yes. Okay, Gautam, it's okay. See children. Now, am I okay, children? My sound, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Now I have small doubt.
Yeah. See children, as we means anyone can, Annette, can you repeat the points which Gautam has told now?
The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal
Coastal region. Very good. Okay, the temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. That means temperate region. Okay, the temperate region. Okay, then.
They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents.
Okay, they are commonly found on the eastern side of the continents. Okay, then.
Example, Southeast USA, South China, and Southeast
Brazil. Okay, Southeast USA, South China, and Southeast Brazil. So it is very easy to remember for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, all in the southern side, eastern side of the continents. Okay, then the main trees found in this region:
Oak, eucalyptus,
oak, eucalyptus,
coniferous trees like pine
also
and
coniferous trees like pine. Yes.
See.
Ma'am, she's stuck.
Okay. Abhinav, Manoj,
yes, ma'am.
can you repeat?
The temperate evergreen forest is located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region.
Yeah. Mid-latitudinal coastal region. Okay.
It's found in Southeast USA,
Yeah.
South China, and Southeast Brazil.
Yes. Southeast USA, South China, and Southeast Brazil. Okay. Then, which all trees are found over here?
They comprise of both hard and softwood trees.
Both
like
hard
oak,
and softwood trees are found over here. Example?
oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc.
Yes. Okay, oak, eucalyptus, pine, fir. Okay, all these types of trees are found on this temperate evergreen forest. Okay, children. So, children, one thing I want to remind you again, while you were studying, please study, means study when, means each point, means while you were repeating the point, just remind the term temperate evergreen forest. Okay, that means then only you could conduct, unless it will be mixed with this all. Okay, so it will be confusing for you. Okay.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Hmm?
I have one doubt.
Ask me.
Ma'am, show that leaf, na?
Hmm.
Leaf, that second leaf which after oak.
Eucalyptus, right?
Eucalyptus.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll show
For
you.
me to
Gautam.
pronounce, I forgot.
Eucalyptus.
Yes, ma'am. It was eucalyptus.
Now I get it.
Let me
Yes,
check.
ma'am, this is cactus.
This one?
After, yes.
This one eucalyptus. It is there in and around our area also. I think most of you have seen eucalyptus tree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It's common in our area also. It is very common. How many of you have seen? Just raise your hand, children. Eucalyptus tree, and at Nihal. Only two. Vijin. Noel, Advait. Okay, Azra. Okay. Mariam. Okay. children. It is common. And also we used for some medicines also, I think, eucalyptus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Eucalyptus oil.
Ah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am. Eucalyptus oil.
Yes. Okay, we are using it for, and it has, that leaf has a particular smell. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Another
Okay.
Mediterranean
Mediterranean and coniferous forest. Two more type of forest we need to study. That is Mediterranean vegetation and also coniferous forest. Both are very easy. Both are easy. Okay, children, just let me move. Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, so we have just discussed about temperate tropical evergreen forest.
Your voice is slow.
Your voice is low.
Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, and temperate deciduous forest. Okay, so now we are moving to study about Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, have you heard about Mediterranean Sea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it would be very easy for you. Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so this type of forest can be seen on the banks of the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, see children, most of the east and northeast margin of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees. Just we have discussed about temperate evergreen and deciduous forest. That means the continents. Okay, this evergreen forest are found on the eastern side of the continents. Right. Just we have discussed it about, right? The eastern side of the, yes, the temperate evergreen forest are found in the eastern side of the continents. Okay, and temperate deciduous forest are found on the north part of the continents. Okay, north part of the continents. And the west and the southwest margin. See children, the west, okay, the west and southwest margin of the continents. Okay, the west, okay, the west and the southwest margins of the continents are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. The west and
It is mostly found in the areas around the
southwest
Mediterranean
margin
Sea
of
in
the
Europe,
continents are
Africa,
different.
and Asia.
Okay, they have Mediterranean vegetation, and it is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Okay, see children, the Mediterranean vegetation, it is found mostly in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Asia, and Africa. Okay, so the west and southwest margin of the continents. Okay, so the east and northern side of the continents are occupied by the temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest, but in the west and the southwest part, okay, southwest margin of the continents, it is different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, it is mostly found in the areas around the
Asia,
Mediterranean
Europe.
vegetation, Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Asia,
Asia,
and Africa.
Africa.
Okay. And also, okay, and also children, this kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region. Okay, not in the Mediterranean region, outside the Mediterranean region in California in USA. Okay, California, Africa, Asia,
Ma'am?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am, unmute your audio.
okay, okay, children. Sorry, because power failure. Okay, okay, children. So the Mediterranean vegetation. Just
Ma'am, your sound is really low.
okay.
Ma'am, can you speak little more louder?
Sure, sure. Children, now my voice, is it okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think, oh, okay, only 2 more minutes. Okay, children. So the Mediterranean vegetation, we will just start an introduction about Mediterranean vegetation, and next period we will continue with it. The west and southwest margin of the continents, okay, are different. Just we have discussed about temperate evergreen forests that are found in the eastern margin of the continents. Okay, eastern margin of the continents, but the west and southwest margin of the continents are different. There we could see the Mediterranean vegetation. We are listen to here. Where are you listening? Okay, so the west and the southwest margin, okay, of the continents. Okay, there we could see the
Ma'am,
Mediterranean.
that slide is really small. Can you make it
Yeah,
little more
next
bigger?
period I will show you, children. Now it's the time to wind up our class. Okay, so just I will say an introduction and we will continue it on the next period. Okay, so they have Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, and it is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea, that is Asia, Africa, and Europe. Okay, and other than this, it also found
California
outside the
in
actual
USA.
Mediterranean region in California, in US,
Southwest Africa,
southwestern, yes,
South
southwest,
America,
South America,
and Southwest Australia.
Yeah.
Okay, see children, we will discuss more about this on the next class. And don't, children, when you come for the next class, bring your activity and just show me. Okay, I'll give the marks for you. Okay, children, so bye for today. See you on the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, bye, bye, ma'am.